Life is a ladder. We all agree with that. Okay? And where you were yesterday, one day was the ceiling of where you wanted to be. Now where you are is the floor of what used to be the ceiling in the past. So right now, life may lead you to somewhere where you think, oh, that is too big, it's too high. And at the moment, it's your ceiling. But if you work on yourself step by step, day by day, you will be able to then take this to another level. And as you keep on progressing, that's what life is. And that's what I'm expert with. That's why I'm here to help you, allow you and give you the permission to step into your true identity, which then will allow you to move on. I talk about this in my book. Write down in the chat and tell me, what is identity for you? Tell me, talk to me, write down what is identity for you. And I'm going to give you my definition of identity. And this may be the most important thing that you may listen today. Because for me, my definition of identity, okay? Let me get back there we go. Okay. My definition of identity. My definition of identity is this, and I talk about this in my book. My definition of identity is a life in integrity. A life in integrity. Those are the three key words of my meaning of identity. Identity is a life in integrity. So let me ask you this question. Are you living your life in your integrity? Are you living your life following your integrity? So some of you may tell me, hey, Moses, I do not know what my identity is. You need to be able to step in your identity, your true identity, on your own terms.